Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to math. So we are going to continue on our journey through the wonderful world of subtraction. Now hi Granny. Oh, don't mind me, I'm just on my way home from Red's. Don't mind me. Carry on. I'm just walking home. Don't want to interrupt. Just walking. Nothing to see here. Okay, so don't mind me. Alright. Okay, let's get back to it. Alright, we are getting into subtraction. And we're going to do something just a little bit different today. We're going to use pictures and subtraction to compare. What do you mean? Well, I've drawn a picture. And as we can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dogs. Because I have a problem. There are 9 dogs. There are 5 bowls. How many more dogs need a bowl? Well, how can we figure this out with the picture? Well, we're going to do this. Because we know we have 5 bowls, we're going to draw 5 bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the problem told us that we have 9 dogs, there's 5 bowls. How many more dogs need a bowl? So this is how we are going to compare and figure this out. I'm going to draw a line from one of the dogs to one of the bowls. Just 1 to 1. Okay? So I'm going to draw from this one straight down to that one. And I'll keep doing it down the line. And now I've run out. I can't draw a line from these dogs to any bowl because they're all being used. So this is our math problem. We had 9 dogs. We had 5 bowls. 9 minus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. We've compared. We need 4 more dogs, right? There's 4 more dogs than there are bowls. We can also look at it a different way. We can say there are 4 fewer bowls. There are 4 fewer bowls than dogs. There are 4 fewer. Fewer means less. Right? So 4 fewer bowls than dogs. Okay? So that's one example. We're going to get into another example really quickly. I'm going to do another compare, and then we'll have you do some comparing with pictures. And these big, nice pictures, I'll show you the pages that you're going to work on in just a moment. But first, let's do this. I'm going to compare these groups. I'm going to find out how many fewer items there are, or if we'd say it the other way, how many more items there are. So let's say I have some X's. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X's, and then I have some O's, let's say. Now I'm going to compare. And when I compare, I draw a line from one of the X's to one of the O's. Just one. Now, you can't have 2 X's going to the same O or 2 O's going to the same X. It's just 1 to 1. Like that. Oh, and now I've run out. So let's take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X's and O's, but then there's actually 2 more O's, so 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 O's minus 5 X's leaves us with 2. So we can look at this 2 ways. We can start with the O's, and we can say that there are 2 more O's. There are 2 more O's. 2 more O's than there are X's. If we look at it the other way, we can say that there are 2 fewer X's. 2 fewer X's. So there's 2 ways of saying this. Using fewer or more. Fewer or more. Right? So, when we look in our book. And watch, this is very colorful. Very colorful. And we've got some cool pictures. We're going to take a look at them right now. We're going to be on page 70. Look at this. All these pictures. Page 70. 70. If we come in a little bit closer, let's take a look. Alright. Here, draw lines to match, subtract to compare. So you're going to draw a line until you run out. Oh, we've run out. And then that's going to help us complete this math problem, this subtraction sentence. So you're going to write the answer here, and then write the answer here again. So and here it tells you, you're looking at the flowers, and you're going to write how many fewer there are. And if we do this real quick, I can see that there are 1, 2, 3 more bees. That means that there is 3 fewer flowers. I'm going to do the same thing on the next page, page 71. Page 71. Do the same thing. And then we're going to continue on to page 72A, 1 and 2, right here. Okay, so we have 70, page 70, numbers 1 through 5, and 72A, numbers 1 and 2. But before we go, why don't we look at this one? Again, we did this one. Why don't we write it out, right? So we might not remember. So I'm going to help you out with this one. Let's compare. So we're going to draw our lines from one flower to one bee, just like this. Oh, now I've run out. Now I can't do it anymore. So now there are 8 bees, and it's right here, and we have 5 flowers. 8 minus 5 equals 1, 2, 3. And then finally it asks how many fewer flowers are there? And that is also 3. Just like that. Alright? Just like that. Now, if you are having fun with our math and you want to do a little bit more, you have a black folder that is in your School in a Box. And in that folder is a whole sheet. It's in a protector. So you can write on it with your whiteboard marker, right? You can practice your math facts in there. And then when you're done, you erase them. And then tomorrow you can try it again. So if you want to get some more math practice in, you can always do the math fact sheet. Now soon, I'll bring that in as part of our homework, but you can start now on your own. You can always practice on your own, or you can ask somebody around you, hey, can you write me some math problems? And you can use your number line, you can use your cubes, you can use your dots. We have all these different strategies that we're coming up with, and we're learning and we're practicing. Use them. See which one you like the best. All right, boys and girls, thank you very much for joining me. Thank you, Granny, for interrupting us. That was pretty cool. I will see you next time. Have fun with math. Bye-bye.